Hi everyone, welcome back to a cozy and festive corner of creativity. With Christmas just around the corner, I thought I would share a simple DIY project that adds a handmade touch to your holiday decor. This adorable origami star garland. To create this Christmas garland, you will need a few basic supplies: colored paper, a craft knife, some thread, and a little bit of patience. I chose soft pastel shades for a dreamy look, but you can use traditional Christmas colors like red, green, or gold for a festive vibe. Folding these origami stars is such a peaceful process. Each fold comes together beautifully like tiny gifts of joy. It's the perfect craft to do while listening to your favorite Christmas songs. Once I folded enough stars, I threaded them carefully onto a string. This step ties everything together literally and turns them into a delicate garland ready to hang. And here it is, the final look. I draped the garland across my window, adding a cozy festive feel to the space. You could also hang it on your Christmas tree or anywhere that needs a little handmade magic. This simple DIY project reminded me how special handmade decorations can be during the holidays. Each little star feels like a celebration of warmth, joy, and creativity. Let me know in the comments how you're decorating for Christmas this year. If you try this star garland, I'd love to see it. Wishing you all a cozy, creative, and magical Christmas season. See you soon.